You can actually make money on Sweetcoin without inviting a single friend, and that is what I'll be explaining in details in this video. For those of you that don't know what Sweetcoin is an app that pays you to work. For every step you take, Sweetcoin track it and reward you for it. But most people think that earning on Sweetcoin is based on referral program, but the truth is no. You can actually make $50 to $100 or even more every month without inviting a single soul. Those coins you accumulate by working can actually be withdrawn into cash, and this is how. Before we dive in, let me lay a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, and I do not guarantee that you make a specific amount of money. Your result is based on your efforts, and this my teaching is based on personal experience. Please always make your own research. So for the purpose of this video, I created this account yesterday. This is a Nigerian account. Now, this is how to make money with Sweetcoin without inviting a friend. Number one is by converting those coins that you earn by working into dollar. And how did you do it? Come to this place. Once you are here, you will see this track. This is a Sweat wallet track. This is showing that every coin that you earn by working is automatically converting into dollar in Sweat wallet. That is if you have a Sweat wallet. But if you don't have a Sweat wallet, come to this place, click on it. It will take you to where you need to download the Sweat wallet app. After downloading it, please do not open it. Come back to this Sweatcoin. Come back to this place, click on it. So because it's your first time of launching the app, it will ask you to sign up. So you need to sign up with the email you used in creating Sweatcoin. Both the email and the password. Once you sign up, this is how the interface is going to look like. What I have in my sweat balance is 0.16 sweats, though it's not up to 1 sweat. For me to get 1 sweat, I need to accumulate 8,307 Sweetcoin. Though the number might not be the same with a foreign account. Like I told you guys, this is a Nigerian account. So for me to earn more dollar from here, I need to keep accumulating more coins. Now this 0.16 sweat, let's check how much it is in dollar. To do that, come to this wallet. Okay. This 0.16 sweats you saw there is equals to 0.002 USD. Okay, so for you to keep any more dollar, you need to keep any more coins. Let's go back to Sweetcoin. Now that you have seen that every coin you earn can actually be converted into dollar in Sweat wallet, what you need to do is to keep any more coins, and you can do this by shaking your phones. Okay, you can shake your phone to earn more coins, and you can even boost it. Now to boost your coins, you click on this festive boost. Okay, it will ask you to watch some ad. You need to watch ad. After watching the ad, then it will ask you to go on. Okay, to give you 20 minutes to accumulate coins. So once that number is counting, I can't do this now because I've done it already. So I think you have only two times. You can only try it 2 times a day. Okay, once that number is reducing, you'll be shaking your phone. At the end of the day, you earn a whole lot of coins, which can actually be converted into dollar for you. As you keep doing this, you keep earning more dollar. This is number one way of earning without inviting a friend. Now the number 2 way in which you can make money from Sweetcoin without inviting a friend is by growing your coins. Before I continue, if today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to Always Earn TV. Here I share different ways to make money from the online space, both from site and app. And if that is the kind of content you're interested in, please do well to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Those coins that you earn, you can actually grow it. Allow it, like give it like few months for it to grow. Store it in a jar and leave it to grow. Okay, it's just like in form of you are investing. You invest in your coins. Allow it like few coins. You can add few coins into your jar. Leave it for some months. By the time you come back, you see that those coins have grown larger, thereby making more dollars for you. Now let's come to this place. Okay, you see this top up and grow. Just tap on it, add as many coins as you want on this jar and leave it for some time. Then the number 3 way is by spinning. When you come here, you spin. You might be lucky to win. Okay, just keep spinning. If you win, it's your luck. Number 4 is by daily flip. When you come to this place, you participate on daily flip to win some dollar or coins as well. Okay, now let's go back to Sweetcoin app. Okay, you can as well do check-in, daily check-in. Joining a competition is also another way to make money from this app without inviting a friend. This app. Now, if you are focused in inviting friends, if you have someone to invite, you can go ahead and get a foreign account. How did you get a foreign account? Get a VPN, a very strong VPN. While that your VPN is on, create a new email. After creating the new email, go to your Play Store. Switch to that new email that you just created and download Sweetcoin app. After downloading it, go ahead to create your account. That account is automatically a foreign account. And don't forget, whenever you want to log into the app, always use your VPN on, because if you do the mistake of logging in without your VPN, the account have automatically turned back to your Nigerian account, or you get banned from using a Sweetcoin. So that is it. This is where I'll be stopping today in this video. If you have any question, please go ahead and drop it on the comment section. Aside Sweetcoin app, there are also other apps that pay you to work, and I'll be dropping the links of those apps on the comment section and also in the description of this video. Also, the link to this app, this Sweetcoin, will be in the description of this video. Use the link to sign up. That is my affiliate link. You support me by using the link to sign up. If you get any value, please give me a thumbs up, drop your comments, like this video and share so that others can watch too. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next one. Bye.